All right, everybody, we're gonna be jumping into the balloon exercise. Now, this is gonna be a simple U-turn. This is a beginner exercise. We're gonna get into harder and harder ones. But how I like to do these exercises is I like to do the familiarization of it the first run. I like to have a warm-up the second run, and then I like to go for time on the third run. But since this one's pretty simple, we're just gonna do 2 easies and then go fast for the last one for time. So the first sets of times, I'm not too worried about. After that, we're going for it. All right, so very simple left-handed U-turn. Let's go around it. Make sure you're doing your head and eye movement. Going nice and slow. Counterweight, friction zone, throttle control. All right, then exit out. 9.79. All right, let's go a little bit faster. We're just gonna do a nice wide arc. Now let's go ahead and look through the whole turn. So turn that head. We're gonna be doing this for every single section. Turning that head towards that next exit or that next cone. All right, very easy. 8.3. Now let's go for time. Now you could come up with strategies. You can try to cut it close or just go one wide arc, but let's try cutting it close on these cones and give it some power. And as soon as I get to here, I'm gonna accelerate out. 6.92. All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and jump into the glide next. So let's have some fun.